Hey, Rumi and Mira, did you hear that?
Oh no!
Look, in the trash bin, it's Derpy! He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we'll stitch you up, good as new. Oh, but there's gotta be something more we can do. Wow, Rumi sure got the magic touch, or wand. Now Derpy's got a little surprise for you. It's a school, just in case you want to leave show business. Do you think the teacher will be nice? A Saja boy? Oh, I want to see his credentials. Well, if he tries anything funny, we can take him. Unless he confiscates your stuff. But it's okay. We can always make new cool tools. Or wait until June. It's more fun to make a tinfoil wand instead. And he won't take it if he thinks it's just a pen. After all, a girl's got a right. Okay. Lunchtime. It's Mira's favorite. Extra spicy ramen. Uh-oh, lunch isn't until next period. Let's hope this stuff tastes better cold. Always fun to take photos of your friends. Especially when you've got a craft in mind. Take some pink, Mira's signature color. And draw her up a whole new hairstyle. But we're going for the full body look. Who says paper dolls don't have moves? Wow, this really puts a new spin on things. I think Mira likes her new mini-me.
Hey.
Passing notes in class? Not in his class. Oh, Rumi, haven't you heard of texting? Well, maybe Derpy can help you out. He might seem a little two-dimensional. But he's always here to help keep your secrets. Aw, a teeny tiny BFF note. You know what that means? A teeny tiny envelope. Quick, give it to Derpy. And hide it in your mouth. Try not to swallow. Here, Mira. Nothing to see here.
What?
She's just taking care of the class pet. Aw, Mira, you're Rumi's best friend forever. You know, the Saja boys have some redeeming qualities. But maybe we should keep that to ourselves. Let's just save a piece for later. No guess which Saja boy Rumi picked. And add some special ingredients, like glitter. Nothing can be truly bad when it comes with glitter. Including our brand new sticker. Make that stickers.
Aww. Hey.
Just don't forget to share the love. Looks like Mira's got a new gadget. Cool, a new phone. Make sure it's charged. Fully charged. Now for something really important. It's time to customize, complete with a Mira sticker. And what's the fun of a phone without games? Careful now, this round goes to the Saja boys. Looks like Rumi wants a new phone too. But don't get upset. Get crafting and make your own phone. It doesn't need charging, and it keeps your pencil sharp. Honestly, you can't get a better phone deal than this.
Ooh.
And cleanup couldn't be any easier.
Wow.
Careful, everyone can see your wallpaper. Rumi's got a case of Butterfingers today. Don't worry, Mira's got your back. Complete with a simple paper craft. With the right turns, you've got a brand new pencil case. Sussy here will help you hide it in plain sight. Always good to keep a few eyes out. Here, there's plenty of room for all of your pens.
Cool. Wow.
Did you study for the big math test? That answers that. I wonder if Mira's doing any better. Guess so.
Yay! Aw.
Can you help Rumi? It's too late for tutoring, but some tests let you use some special tech. So why don't we whip up a special calculator for Rumi? Just make sure you seal it up on top. And add the derpy seal of approval.
Wow.
Fill her up. After all, calculators need a little program.
What?
Time to take it on a test run. Great success! Only thing easier is if it wrote the answers for you. Careful, no gum in class. Probably shouldn't do that either. Seriously, we lose perfectly good rulers this way. Mira's got an idea that epaulets aren't just fashionable, they're great for hiding crafting supplies. And there's always room for glitter. Bend all you want, this ruler won't snap. Measure, draw a straight line, and sparkle while doing it. This totally deserves some stickers. Those nails are fierce, but a little too cool for school.
Hey.
Rumi knows what you need, boba, which is hiding our secret blind bag. And inside, a nail file. But will it help? Wow, new color too. Rumi deserves a big tip. But why not add a splash of color? How about purple?
Okay.
Just be patient. It takes a while for the color to show. Of course, it also pays to let your nails dry.
Yay!
Soon your nails will look as good as new. But there's always room for some stickers. There's room for all your favorite Huntrix members. And a few of those Saja boys, too. Come on, girls. It's time for school. Calm down. One at a time. One at a time. And look who followed them to school. Oren, Pinky, and Wenda. Ratty and Simon are here, too. Let's explore. I think these guys have been hanging out with cats again. At least you two are focused on your studies. Good thing, too. That teacher seems strict. Uh-oh, I think he noticed your special guests. But don't worry, it's time for Spunky at school. This laptop makes taking notes a breeze. Well, as long as you don't mess with the keys. They say life is like a box of chocolates. And as they also say, la vie en rose. In other words, life's better in pink. Especially when that pink is pinky. And look, your very own keyboard. Hey, it's Jevin. Haven't seen him in a while. And a whole bunch of our Spunky friends. Uh-oh, the warm colors are making a mess. Well, we can always just spread the love. 'Cause I'm pretty sure it's surprise inspection time. Ooh, poor Blue. You got the blame. But don't get angry. Get even. Or better yet, it's time to get crafting. Use some chocolate to draw out a face. And I thought it was familiar before. Make a bunch of these happy faces. Who needs flowers when you've got a bouquet like this? This school's got some interesting superlatives. Oh, you just know this was fixed. Still, you know who's not going to be happy about this. Don't worry, we've got a plan for this poster. Attach the strips of paper to these blocks. Now put it together like a puzzle. See? It's as good as new. And now you can bring it to game night. Yeah, I think a little recount is in order. Our mushroom cupcakes are so easy to whip up. Of course, they can disappear just as quickly.
Whoa!
Don't worry, they're still loads. Who says you can't play with your food? Besides, we're getting a visit from our favorite plumber. Don't forget his hat. One good turn deserves another.
It's me, Mario!
Cupcakes, the gift that keeps on giving. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yeah, better write that down. Ouch!
Huh?
He must do morning stretches. I think this belongs to you. Wait, the blocks! They've helped us so far. Stack them up. We can use them to make our own pencil case. It's time to call in some extra help. Thanks, it's a new cover. And it slides right in. Of course, a pencil case needs some pencils. Pens and markers are also acceptable. Now let's get back to writing those notes. Careful, you'll get this back at the end of class. Little blue ball. Still, we want to keep our block theme going. First, lay down a flat block base. Next, we'll need to add a border. Now, our little labyrinth is going to need some walls. Add the ball, and it's a tiny maze game. And the best part, hours of fun without charging. Ooh, we're drawing robots in art class. Grab your paintbrush and your favorite paint. There's something off about your brush. Looks like its painting days are over. But you know, these blocks have a nice texture. Dip it in the paint and use it like a stamp. Pretty soon, you'll have a rather rectangular robot.